It is a myth that creativity is about getting brand new ideas out of thin air. We like to talk about the moment the muse visited us and inspiration struck out of nowhere, but actually creativity is often about combining existing ideas and using them in new ways. So I've been experimenting with combining two of my art processes. So I have this sentence generation system, and it's using it with a coded version of my handwriting. It's all created in JavaScript, and it produces these sort of lyrical, like nonsense sentences. They're generated randomly using this like algorithm I wrote. So they have no reason to mean anything, but they feel kind of poignant. Then I've also been using my plotter to paint repetitive marks in acrylic. I did a few little tests by hand first to see what kind of combinations of pen and paper and paint would let the words show through, and then I set the plotter going. I choose settings for each row of marks and I add paint to the brush by hand as it's going. So some of the control is mine and some of it is like within the systems and the materials that I'm using. I've tried painting the words themselves in paint before, but this is the first time I've tried words in pen covered in paint, so it's a bit of an experiment. The amount the words show through depends a lot on the angle that you're looking at it and the angle of the light, so they feel kind of semi-hidden, which I love. I'm going to try this again with more like a block of text, so there are loads of words in there to lose and find behind the paint. Let me know what you think.